What is crowdfunding and is it the future of real estate investments? So, crowdfunding is when instead of one person buying a property, a group of investors come along and they buy a property. So, for example, let's say if I talk about a one bed of 1 million dirhams, either an individual can buy it or a group of individuals, no matter the amount, can buy the property. 500 people can come together and buy a one bedroom apartment. How it works is the property is registered as an SPV in DFSA. It's regulated, so it's completely risk free, and the returns, the rental is divided into the number of investors who have invested in that particular asset. The best part is we have got some platforms, some online platforms like GetStake and SmartCrowd who do all of this for us, and the investment starts with only 2000 dirhams. So in just 2000 dirhams, I can own a part of a property in Dubai and take advantage of Dubai's good ROI, take advantage of Dubai's good rental return, take advantage of Dubai's capital appreciation. And on top of all of that, if I am from a country where the currency is depreciating, I make on currency appreciation as well. What are some of the USPs of these platforms? Number one, instead of you who is an individual, who is an average investor, instead of you buying a property, an expert who has 16-17 years of experience in the market, they go and buy the property. So they will obviously filter out the best available option and they will buy it. Second, these platforms, they only buy properties which are pre-rented, which are already on rent and with a very good rental ROI. So they buy properties which are already on rent for more than 7 to 8% rental yield. Third, they themselves sell the property. When someone who has 16-17 years of experience in real estate, when he is selling the property, obviously he will be able to get a better deal. So they get a better deal when buying the property, they get better deal when renting the property, they get better deal when reselling the property. And some of these properties, they are used as holiday homes, which means your ROI goes in double digit. So to be very honest, an investor who does not want to get into the headache of renting, buying, reselling, all these things, these platforms, they are a very good option, because you are and since these companies have just started, crowdfunding is a very new concept, and since these companies have just started, they are charging a very small management fees, they are charging a very small admin fees. So of all of your returns, you only pay roughly 2% of that in admin and management fees. Rest of that is yours to take. So this is going to change in future when this concept becomes very common and people are investing in crowdfunding. That's where these platforms will start charging more. As of now, these platforms are not profitable, but you don't have to worry about them being profitable, because the property that you are buying is registered under your name and not in the platform's name with which you are buying. So in my opinion, I see it becoming the future of investing in Dubai real estate, because if I were to buy a property, I would prefer to go, if I'm not going for a mortgage or a payment plan, because that's where your ROI is much more. If I'm not going for these two, I will always go for crowdfunding instead of paying the entire amount to the developer and waiting for the returns to come and waiting for the resale to happen. And if you need some more details, you can reach out to our team. They will be more than happy to connect you with one of the platforms where you can invest with as low as 2000 dirhams.